How to adjust screen brightness in Windows 10. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can adjust screen brightness in Windows 10. On most laptop keyboards, you will find shortcut keys that allows you to quickly increase and decrease your brightness. Often these keys are part of the row of F keys, that is F1 through F12. To adjust the screen brightness, look for the brightness icon that might look similar to a sun logo. Now on Windows 10, you can click the battery icon in the notification area and click the brightness style that appears. This adjusts the brightness in increments of 25% each time you tap on it. On computer, you will not have the brightness style. Instead, what you can do is click on this notification icon, then click on the expand option over here. You have the option of night light over here. Click on this. This will automatically adjust the brightness. You can also click on the all settings option, then click on system. Now from here select display, then click on night light settings, and now click on turn on now and then adjust the brightness from here as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.